Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of VP Outdoors. And in today's video, we actually have a really special video. A company called Lasfit Auto, they actually reached out to me. This video is actually sponsored by Lasfit LED Auto Lighting. And yeah, so they reached out to me and asked what kind of LED lights did I need. So I was like, perfect, this is great, because I was this close to upgrading the interior lighting already to LEDs. So yeah, they reached out at the perfect time. And yeah, so we're actually gonna be replacing the map lights and then the dome light as well. So yeah, we'll go ahead and get into it. I'll go ahead and show you kind of a before and after too, and just kind of give you my opinion on it, guys. So let's get into it. Let's go ahead and change these map lights and dome lights, and I'll try to show you guys how to do it. Let's get into it. All right, guys, so here it is. This is stock. This is what the Tacoma still comes with. I don't know why, but yeah, we have these ugly yellow lights. I mean, I guess they're okay because they're not like super intense on your eyes, but at night you really can't see anything. So, all right, let's go ahead and put in the new LEDs that Lasfit sent over and see how those look. All right, guys, so these are the map lights they went ahead and sent over. I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description to all the products that I'm using today. So if you guys do use the link in the description, it's really gonna help out the channel a lot, guys. So I'd really appreciate that. But yeah, let's go ahead and pop these in, and I'll go ahead and show you what they look like before and after. This is kind of how you do it. So you kind of want something skinny to pry in there, but you're gonna want to kind of like push in here and then pop it out just like that, and then turn it off. And then we'll go ahead and do this side too. So kind of like push in there and then pop it out and then turn it off. Perfect. So yeah, boom, just pops right out. So just remember that this goes in there only one way. Okay, so the light is way in there. It's actually really hard to get with 2 fingers. So I would recommend using some tape. So I got some duct tape right here. I'm gonna try to pry that out and see how that goes. And then I want to pull off. Perfect. Oh my gosh, that works like a glove. Look at that, guys. Just want to pull down, and I got the light again. Super simple, guys. I'll go ahead and compare it to the other one. That's your old light, and that's your new light. So we'll go ahead and see how that works. I'll go ahead and put it in there and see how it works. All right, so I got one of them in. Now I just need to get the driver's side one to go in. So just kind of find the hole. Make sure it grabs. Perfect. We're good to go. All right, so this goes back like so. Pop it in. Perfect. Perfect. Oh, and then we're just gonna put this last one back. So just put that in and pop it in. We're good to go. All right, those 2 are good to go. Let's go to move on to that back one, and then we'll show you after. There we go. That's one. Sure. Perfect. All right. So this is gonna be the dome light. All right, guys, so I got the new light bulb. Let's go ahead and take one of these out. All right, guys, so I went ahead and put in the new bulb, slapped the cover back on, and we're golden. So let's go ahead and see if it worked. Perfect. I would say that's a pretty big difference, guys. Now it's like, looks like studio lighting in here. Shoot. Cool. Well, hopefully I can get a video at night, and I'll go ahead and put that clip in here. All right, guys, so it is nighttime. I figured I'd come out here and test out the interior lights. Oh, it already knew that I was walking up to the truck. Excellent. That was super cool. Guys, this is super bright. I don't even know if I want to replace these, because any more light, I mean, it's just blinding at that point. These are super bright, guys. I don't know if the phone does justice, but yeah, these are super bright. Honestly, I like them a lot though. I can see 10 times better than before. Big shout out to Lasfit Lighting for this. Thank you so much for sending these over, and hope you guys enjoyed this review. But yeah, so this is kind of what it looks like. Super easy to install, only took about 5 minutes. But yeah, I wanted y'all to see what it looked like at night. So yeah, guys, hopefully that helped you guys out. Really easy. This literally took like 5 minutes. You just pop these out, put the new ones in. Little tips and tricks, just use some tape to get those lights out, and then some sort of little prying tool. This is like a little spreader. But yeah, guys, wow, what a difference this made. Thank you so much to Lasfit Lighting. I'll go ahead and leave all the lighting and the link in the description so you guys can go ahead and pick it up for yourselves and do this quick little mod. But yeah, shout out to Lasfit Auto. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video. Thanks again for watching. But yeah, guys, y'all let me know down in the comments what you think about this little mod. I know everyone does it. I was gonna end up doing it, but thank you so much for Lasfit for reaching out and sending these over so we can upgrade the Tacoma. They're gonna be sending over some other stuff, so be ready to see some more upgrades on this Tacoma. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel. We're growing so fast. Thank you for all the subscribers. Thank you for all the comments. Spring is right around the corner. I'm gonna be pulling out this bad boy. I got my jet ski under here. I have 2 kayaks over there. I have an electric bike here. So a lot of fun toys coming on the channel. I even have an off-road mountain bike. So y'all get ready. It's gonna get crazy this spring and summer. Hopefully I can record some really cool adventures for you guys. I have my fishing rods over there as well. But yeah, guys, this Tacoma's coming a long way. It's been such a journey. I can't wait to see where this channel goes. Thank you guys so much again for all the support. And stay tuned for this next video. Take care, guys. Peace.